Hello everyone and welcome to your favourite security channel here on YouTube, Simon Security Expert. Today's video is, it's short and sweet. It's about one of the most underrated features on the Guardfather security system that I want to share with you. It's called the security schedule. It doesn't get used half as much as it should. I just think mainly it's because people don't actually know it's there or maybe don't quite understand it. So I'm going to try and fix that today in this video. And as always, you can keep your system as simple as you like. This is just one of the extras for anyone who wants to get some extra bits and bobs out of it. So let's talk about what it is. You can see it here in the app. A security schedule lets your alarm system set itself. You choose the action, whether that's maybe set, unset, or stay set. Then you choose the time and the days you want the system to do it, and the system will then do the rest automatically. Because here's the truth about any alarm system. The biggest weakness isn't the equipment, it's forgetting to set the thing. It's easily done, we're all human, but an alarm that isn't set properly simply isn't getting the most out of it. So if it can be automated and that works better for you, then, why not automate it? So let's talk about an example. If you know that you're going to be in bed by say 11:30 and you're up around 6:30, set up a schedule to stay arm at midnight and then unset at 6 every day. That's your nighttime protection sorted automatically without you ever having to think about it. And if you've not seen my video on the stay arm and why nighttime setting matters so much, I'll link it at the end of the video. Couple of quick tips before you set one up. First, pick times that you're confident about. The system won't give you a warning before a schedule kicks in. So, if you're still up watching a film at midnight when the stay set fires and you wander off into the kitchen, the alarm's going to go off. Choose a time you know you'll be in bed, or just remember to switch it off if you're going to be staying up later on a particular night, that's out of the ordinary, for example. Second, if you go away, remember to turn the schedule off and just set it as normal. You don't want the system unsetting itself at 6 every morning while you're away on a beach somewhere. You'll probably just want it fully armed the whole time. And setting one up, it only takes about a minute all in the app. You just go into the app, tap security schedule, give it a name, then choose the type of set, the time, and the days you want it to repeat on. Every day, weekdays only, weekends, whatever suits your routine. And from then on, your system quietly works for you in the background. And that's it. It's a short one today because it's a simple feature, but honestly, it might be the one that could make the biggest difference to your home being protected. And if you're interested in a wireless DIY security system that you can fit yourself and take control of your own security, there's a link to the Guardfather website in the description. And I'm always here to help with your security, no matter what it is, whatever system it is. If you need help, get in touch. Thanks for watching, guys, and as always, see you on the next one.